Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about drawing rectangles. A rectangle is a four-sided single object. You can create a rectangle by just specifying its two diagonal corners. However, there are various methods to create a rectangle. So, in this session, we will learn how to create a similar rectangle with various techniques. Along with this lecture, you can access an AutoCAD file as well, where I have already prepared a practice file for you. Let's start by creating the first example. By using the simple rectangle, we'll specify one point and then the second point. In this way, we get a rectangle. The second one, we will choose the first point. From here, we will choose this option and then we will specify the length of the rectangle. In this way, now we have to choose in which quadrant we want to place the rectangle, and here we get the same result. The next one, we do the same. We get the first point, we click on this point to get another option. Now I have provided an area and next it asks to give me a length or a width. I have given a length and it has already guessed the width according to that specific area. Again, we choose the first point. Before that, we will use this option of distance. So, we take these values and then click the first point and then the second point. Now, we get these cornered rectangle. The length of corners was provided by us in the start. The same can be done to create the rounded rectangle. Again, let's choose the first point and second point. Be noted that when I will choose the rectangle again, it would be rounded as we have provided some attributes in the last session. So we have to remove that distance of rounded. Now it's okay. Now I can use the rectangle with this slanted option. Let's choose this angle, give it a value and then place it to the second point. So you have seen we have created rectangles with 6 different ways, in which we specified 2 points, we specified area and a length or width, we created the chamfered or cornered rectangle, rounded rectangle, and then the slanted or rectangle with a specific angle. So this was all about rectangles. We will explore about them more in upcoming lectures. See you then. Till then, take care.